there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In an ancient forest, dense and filled with mysteries untold, lived the last owl on earth. Her name was Athene, named after the ancient goddess of wisdom. Athene's feathers were as gray as moonlit shadows, and her eyes sparkled like the cosmos. Despite her beauty, she carried a heavy heart, for she was the last of her kind. The forest had once been vibrant and full of life, but over many years it had grown silent. The other owls who had called this forest home had fallen to the neglectful hands of humans who overlooked their importance. Athene, though lonely, held on to hope. Rumors whispered by the wind spoke of other owls, hidden in secret places. Each evening, as the sun slipped below the horizon, casting hues of orange and purple across the sky, Athene embarked on her nightly journey. She soared through the forest, her wings slicing silently through the air, as she searched high and low for any sign of her kin. As days turned into weeks, Athene flew further and wider. She ventured to forgotten corners of the earth, where nature still thrived untamed. In the dense jungles, she listened for hoots among the cacophony of life. In the stark deserts, she sought shadows that whispered answers. One quiet night, under a canopy of stars, Athene heard the faintest echo of a familiar call. She followed the sound to a desolate land, where a lone oak tree stood resilient against time itself. Huddled in its branches were two young owls. They looked at her with wide eyes, uncertain but hopeful. Athene spread her wings to reveal her enduring strength. The young owls chirped in unison, their eyes gleaming with the vigor of new life. The resurgence of hope filled Athene's heart. Together, they ventured onward, carving a path through forgotten terrain. Athene taught them the ways of the wise. She shared stories of their ancestors and the splendor the world once held. Athene's search was no longer just for survival but for a legacy. Her determination bore fruits, for she found not just a continuation of her species but a family. Under the watchful eye of their matriarch Athene, the young owls flourished. She watched as they grew, embracing their wings, the delicate balance between past and future. Finally, the forest was alive once more, echoing with the hoots of her kin. In a world where the last owl sought hope, she discovered that family was the true treasure, the binding force of their survival. Athene knew that they would continue to strive in the shadows, guiding each other forevermore. Her flight was no longer solitary, for together, they soared into eternity, whispering wisdom, wrapped in an embrace of hope. They restored the forest to its primeval splendor.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.